is a question based on MOS device, and this question asked in GATE 2020 in EC paper. So the question is, using low frequency small signal model of the MOS device, the Norton equivalent value resistance of the following circuit is. So let's do it. For that, here is given is GM, that is the transconductance of the MOSFET, and the RDS, that is the output resistance in terms of drain to source. So for calculation that we have to first drawing the small signal model of the MOSFET. So here the small signal model is with accordance the circuit. The input resistance is infinite, that means that is open circuited, and a and a dependent current source which is depend on that VGS value, and a RDS is present, therefore a drain to source resistance is there, and a drain resistance which is R also there. Source terminal where we have to calculate the equivalent Norton resistance. For that, we know that for calculation of Norton equivalent resistance we have to use a dummy voltage and a current, because here the independent source is present. Therefore we applied a dummy voltage, and for the dummy voltage I current is flowing, and this is the R resistance. And here in question the gate terminal is I current is flow in this direction, and the GM VGS current is flow in this direction. So we can use KCL at that point, and we can calculate the current flowing in this direction in RDS resistance. So this current is I plus of GM VGS, and this current is flow in this direction, and now the GM VGS is flow in this direction, therefore the I current is flow in this direction, and the I is flow through the R resistance. So if we use KVL in that loop, then our target will be fulfilled. So let's do it. Minus V, that is the voltage KVL, minus V plus of the current flow is I plus of GM VGS, so I plus of GM VGS into RDS plus of I into R equal to 0. So IRDS plus of GM VGS into RDS plus of IR equal to V. So now if you take I common, then RDS plus of R equal to V minus of GM VGS into RDS. So now VGS we have to calculate. So here we can see that VGS is like that way, plus minus and VGS. If we write that part, that is the plus minus V I current flow, and this term and this open circuited condition, if you term in this way, then also we can say that is minus plus of VGS. So from that we can say that VGS equal to minus of V, I into RDS plus of R equal to V minus of GM into VGS equal to minus of V into R of DS. I into RDS plus of R equal to V plus of V. If we take common, then 1 plus of GM into RDS, or V by I equal to Norton equivalent resistance equal to R plus of RDS divided by 1 plus GM RDS. So R plus of RDS divided by 1 plus of GM RDS. Thank you.